Hey everyone, it's Lynnea for LDRS Creative, and I have a really quick Mother's Day card to share with you today. I'm going to be using just a few products, and I started here with the lovely watercolor 6x6 paper pack. I love this paper pack. I love especially these watercolor spatters. Watercolor is one of my favorite mediums to work with, and this paper pack just kind of makes it even easier because I don't even have to pull out my watercolors. So here you're going to get a little sneak peek about how I design a card. I don't sketch things. I'm not good at drawing. I don't really write things down. What I do a lot of the times is just lay my products out onto my card. So I started because I knew I wanted to use the A2 diagonal stitched layered card toppers. That's the easiest way that I know to cut down pattern paper. And I knew I wanted to use those flowers from the Floral Scallop Slimline die set. So I laid those out along with my sentiment, and then I just started die cutting. So I cut the flowers from a mixture of white cardstock and another pattern paper from the lovely watercolor pattern paper 6x6 pack, laid them out on my card the way I wanted them to be. Then I'm using a piece of masking tape to pick up all of those pieces all at once, and I'm going to use my liquid adhesive, just kind of stick my little glue tip underneath and glue all those pieces together. Now instead of having two separate leaves and two separate flowers, I have one large piece to work with. It makes it a whole lot easier. I added some foam tape at the back, and I'm going to figure out how I want this to be arranged and then press that down. You'll notice that my flowers are hanging off the left side of the card just a little bit. That's okay. I'll put this card in a 5x7 envelope instead of a regular A2 sized envelope. I like to have elements hanging off the side sometimes. I think it just makes the card look a little bit more unique. I added a sentiment from the Special Occasion stamp set that I die cut with the Special Occasions dies, and this card is finished. I told you it would be quick. It's really easy, really simple, but I love the way it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. On the screen are a couple other videos that I've done for LDRS Creative that I thought that you might like, including yesterday's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!